ain't got much done to the engine at the moment, but I have got these bits. About nearly just off 100 quid's worth with postage, that is. Injector pipes, which we hope are the same as the ones that we got, which we'll check in a minute. We've also got water pipes going on there. The reason why I got these was because I got a radiator that just an old radiator that I'll whack onto it when I go to test it. And the temp sensor, which goes in one yard there. So, the $1 million question is, are they the same as them? And the answer to that question is, no, they're not. They're different. But maybe not too different to be out of the sort of the way. I get the feeling they're the same as these ones I've already got. Oh, completely different. So, just as a test fit, just that goes on there like so. That would go on there. Nope. That would go on there. Nope. Well, this could be fun. Trying to work this out. Because they don't seem to be in the right sort of form. Oh, I don't seem to be having much luck. Oh, let's have a look. That's injector number 2. So, injector number 2 would go on to there, which is wrong. Might need to twist a little bit maybe, but I think it's going to be in the way of the intake housing. We will see. We will make them work. But anyways, apart from that, we've got those bits to tinker around with. It's been a bit of a slow week. My uncle passed away on Saturday, early morning Saturday, so at least he's not in pain anymore. He fought cattle battle with cancer for 18 months, so rest in peace. Good musician, could play just about any instrument you could chuck at him, but hopefully we can keep the tradition going. Anyways, so here's the front axle of the 754, which is destined to go on to the 774. High ab still not running 100%, but we now think that it's because of the EGR valve might be sticking open. So that's booked to the garage, but she's got to do another run to the farm as she is, and we'll go from there. This one is all ready for the drawbar to go on the end and get towed out to the farm. We'll check the oils and all the ports, make sure that she's got some oil in there. We'll bring some engine oil in and just put in here, just for now, just to help keep everything lubed up, just in case she's a bit low. And then we can tow her out to the farm as she is. The next load, once I've taken this next lot out, will be all this stuff, and then all the wheels. Then that cab will come off, that back of that tractor there will go out. That transport box there is an old one that will get dumped. That trailer there is going to go out. Cement mixer has to go out. Dual wheel brackets all have to go out, and all this stuff. The plan is to clear it all up. So, but that's what I've been up to anyways, and I'll try and get a video of me using the actual truck. We've done a few test runs with it, but just to fiddle around with it really, with mechanics and whatnot. So anyways, I'll let you be, and we'll catch us in the next clip, when hopefully we're doing something else. Strap it all down. It's about 3 ton on there, just under, probably about 2.8. Don't know if she'll handle it or not, but we'll find out, I guess. So a little bit of use. Sorry it's not much, but it's the only place I couldn't find any wind. Gippy is around here somewhere. Where he is. Be hiding somewhere, I would assume. So the next job is fix this press.